Welcome to my channel. The Can-Am Ryker is a modern, innovative three-wheeled motorcycle that redefines the riding experience with its affordability, accessibility, and sleek design. It appeals to a wide audience, including beginners, casual riders, and experienced motorcyclists looking for a fresh and fun alternative to traditional two-wheelers. The Ryker is a part of BRP's effort to make open road riding more inclusive and enjoyable for all, combining practicality with excitement. The Ryker is built with a durable and lightweight frame that enhances its performance and handling. The Rotax engine options, a 600cc twin-cylinder and a 900cc three-cylinder, provide a balance between power and efficiency. The 600cc engine is ideal for urban commuting and relaxed cruising, delivering smooth and reliable performance. The 900cc version is more powerful and suited for riders seeking a more spirited and dynamic riding experience. Both engines use a belt-driven system that reduces noise and vibration while ensuring long-lasting durability. The Ryker's automatic continuously variable transmission, CVT, simplifies the riding experience by eliminating the need for manual gear changes. Riders can focus on the journey without worrying about shifting, making it especially appealing to those new to motorcycling. The twist-and-go throttle system further adds to the ease of operation, allowing smooth acceleration with minimal effort. The Ryker's three-wheel design ensures unparalleled stability, making it a safer alternative to two-wheel motorcycles. The Vehicle Stability System, VSS, combines ABS, traction control, and stability control to keep the vehicle steady and prevent skidding or slipping, even on uneven or slippery surfaces. This makes the Ryker an excellent choice for riders of all skill levels, including those with limited experience or concerns about balancing on a traditional motorcycle. Customization is at the heart of the Can-Am Ryker experience. Riders can choose from a wide variety of color panels, trims, and accessories to match their style and preferences. The Ryker's easy-to-swap panels and plug-and-play accessory system allow users to modify their vehicle quickly and effortlessly. Additional options include storage solutions like top cases and saddlebags, comfort features like windshields and heated grips, and performance enhancements like sport suspension kits. The Ryker is also designed with rider comfort in mind. Its ergonomic seating position, adjustable handlebars, and foot pegs accommodate riders of different heights and body types. The suspension system, featuring Sachs twin-tube shocks, provides a smooth ride over various terrains, from city streets to rural roads. The comfortable seating arrangement makes the Ryker suitable for long rides, while the spacious design allows room for a passenger on select models. For riders looking for even more excitement, the Can-Am Ryker Rally Edition offers additional features tailored for off-road adventures. The Rally Edition comes with upgraded suspension, reinforced tires, rally mode traction control, and a skid plate for better performance on unpaved surfaces. This version is perfect for those seeking to explore beyond the beaten path. The Ryker's eco-friendly design ensures compliance with modern emission standards, and its fuel-efficient engines make it an economical option for daily use. The low maintenance requirements, combined with BRP's extensive dealer network, ensure that owners can enjoy hassle-free ownership. Riders can also take advantage of BRP's Ride Like No Other program, which offers training and guidance to help new users get comfortable with their Ryker. The Can-Am Ryker is more than just a motorcycle, it's an experience that combines freedom, fun, and safety. Its blend of affordability, performance, and customization makes it a standout choice for anyone looking to embrace the thrill of open road riding. Whether used for commuting, leisure rides, or adventurous trips, the Ryker delivers a unique and unforgettable journey every time.